The time to start your journey into that level of autonomous finance is right now.
It's about not just react in finance, it's about to anticipate and to accelerate business in finance.
The main thing that you can rely on Serrala for is we are working on future-proofing your solutions. We are making it our mission to focus on future-proofing the Office of CFO.
I think Serrala's focus for 2026 and beyond is really how we take all this great new innovation that we're bringing to our customers and take them on that journey.
Welcome to your future without limits.